For twin flames, and generally if someone pops into this ascension journey, one thing that works like magic in your life is your solar plexus, and I'll tell you why. Healing your solar plexus chakra basically connects you with your inner feminine and inner masculine. Your Ida and Pingala Nadi needs to come into union, and the fastest, the bestest way to do it is via solar plexus. So when the energy raises from the solar plexus, it's gonna move from the Shushmana Nadi, it's gonna go to Ida and Pingala, and once Ida and Pingala are in union, you're going to feel a union overall. At the core, we are all together. We are social animals. We need relationships. We need other people. We need the amalgamation of different types of relationships to feel complete and secure. But we also, at the same core, within the same core, we are individuals. See, because universe is all about contradictions. Universe is all about unity in contradictions. So you need to work on yourself and you need to go within. When you learn to go within and you need to work on yourself, you figure it out, then only outwardly you will see certain things working out for you in your favor. Before that, you're not going to see it, and it can be frustrating because everybody is looking for inner peace, everybody is looking for joy, everybody is looking for love, but they're all doing it in different ways. They're looking for joy in different ways, and depending on their programming, depending on their karmic account, depending on their mental understanding, depending on their maturity, they try to do things that make them happy. Some people naturally are simply programmed to look for the next thing that makes them happy or feel complete. Whereas some people are not programmed like that at all. They like the monotony, they like the routine, they like the same things. That's why some people say, oh, I'm very boring. Normally, people do every day cooking, cleaning, watching some soap, or watching a movie online, just meeting the same people, talking to the same people. Some people are like that, and some people are not wired like that. And then still you will have that contradiction. You'll see the contradiction. The same people who like boring stuff, they also want to get excited here and there. And the same people who want to get excited every day want to settle down, and sometimes they want to relax and they want to chill. So the point over here is that you could be a permutation and combination of so many different things, but more than other person, more than other people, more than focusing on what works for others, you have to focus on what works for you. And you don't have to judge yourself for it. You have to love yourself for it. You have to accept yourself for it. You have to understand that this is how universe has created you. This is how God has made you. And whatever you want, you need to accept that with total clarity and without any guilt and shame. If you want something, you have to admit it first. You have to say to yourself that yes, this is what I want, and you have to ask why. Why am I feeling weird about wanting it? Why do I have to question it? Why do I have to think that something is wrong with me? And you have to be honest about it. You have to look at the reasons. Yeah, if something is making you very selfish, okay, that's why I'm not happy about it. If something is making you overgiving, okay, I'm not happy about it because wanting this makes me an overgiving person. But why do I want it? So idea is to understand yourself much better, and you'll also change with time. We all change with time, and that also we need to accept. And all of this work is done easily. It can be done smoothly, much more smoothly, if we work on our solar plexus chakra, because solar plexus chakra literally is the gateway. It's the gut. It's the gut, and the gut is the most important place in our body. Your gut is good, your gut health is good, even generally, even medically, they have said it. Medically, it is proven if your gut health is good, you're a healthy, overall, a healthy person. Similarly, if your solar plexus is healed, it is functioning well, your whole energy is going to be great. Always. Your relationships are going to be much smoother because your relationship with yourself has become smoother, becomes smoother when you work on the solar plexus chakra. And this is the advice that is going to work for pretty much everyone, literally everyone. There's no one who cannot benefit from this advice. Everything else is happening outwardly, and everything else is a lot of mind work, lot of manipulation, lot of calculation, lot of this, that. I have to do this, I have to do that. I know some of the advice is great, but it's coming from people who have practiced it a lot or who are programmed that way to figure things out that way. But a lot of us are much simpler beings. We are very simple. We don't understand complications, manipulations. Let's do this, let's do that. So let's do one thing that works for all, and that is to work on your chakra system. Work in a way that you do the correct inner work that helps your intuition and that helps your financial stability both. You need both material and you need spiritual. You don't need just one. On this planet, it's about bringing in all together. Like all these three chakras, four chakras in the body, within the body, these are upper chakras and these are lower chakras, and in between you have your heart chakra. So when all is aligned, the heart chakra works perfectly. Love flows. That's the idea.